Senator Rodante Marcoleta defended the minority report on the flood control scandal, saying it was created in the public's interest. He urged Senator Ping Lacson to review the document, noting it may offer useful insight. Here's the report.
Senator Rodante Marcoleta said that the minority bloc issued a report to push the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee to release at least a partial version of its findings on the flood control scandal hearings. He urged Senator Ping Lacson, who chairs the committee, to read the minority report first before dismissing it as a trash.
Hindi man lang niya binasa yung report. How can you even make a judgment like that? Wala namang ganunan. Wala kaming ibang motibo doon kung hindi ang kapakanan ng taong bayan makakita man lang kung anong nangyari na so far. Hindi namin pinipilit na yun ay kanilang i-adapt. Sinasabi lang namin, tingnan ninyo. Baka naman may mapulot kayo dito, baka naman makatulong ito.
Marcoleta stressed that the Blue Ribbon Committee should base its investigation on solid and verifiable evidence. The senator also denied allegations that he was acting as a lawyer for the Discayas, who are among the key personalities linked to the flood control controversy. Marcoleta said he was merely raising questions about restitution, which he claimed is being used as a supposed requirement for admission into the Witness Protection Program. He accused the Department of Justice of using restitution to restrict and selectively determine who would be accepted into the WPP.
I'm questioning the restitution because in the process of applying for WPP, restitution is not one of the requirements. Pinipilit nila yon para makapamili sila kung sinong mag-a-apply.
Despite these concerns, Marcoleta believes the majority and minority can still resolve their differences.
Sa akin palagay, madali naman yun eh. Magkaintindihan lamang kami kung saan patungo ba, ano ba yung direksyon ng pagdinig na yan. Hindi ba pinag-uusapan natin, makita natin ang utak?